Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy MB, ready to do the daily breakdown of the S&P 500 on the futures market. Today is Thursday, April 18th, 2024, and today was kind of a tricky day because yesterday I said that we may have found our bottom here, which initially it started to look that way because we ended up breaking out of this downtrend, finding a support level, grinding up higher in the after-hour session. But now let me break down today why it ended up being a little bit wacky. So pre-market, I had marked out a couple of different levels. This level here was yesterday's area of support. We had a pre-market level of support and then a pre-market level of resistance. So initially at market open, we ended up breaking this pre-market level of resistance. So I thought that we were going to get a break and retest. And so we ended up getting a couple of rejections here. And so I took a short, and thankfully I got out at 7 points, pretty much at the perfect time. Because right after that, we ended up reversing and ended up getting a close above the support level. So now it invalidated my break and retest, which is a bearish pattern. And now you want to be looking for the opposite, which is just a break and retest to the upside. So play number one is at 910. It's this new support level. So you get in here at 66. And I would have targeted the top of this resistance zone. And so that would have been from 66 to 84. What is that? About 20 points. And then right around here, I wanted to see if we were going to reject the pre-market resistance zone, which we actually got on top of it. And so play number two was a break and retest of prior resistance, now acting as support. So we get our 5-minute close above the resistance level. So the next candle here at 10 o'clock, you can get in, or even on this one at 10:05. And then it was a nice 10 points in about 10, 15 minutes. And then what I had noticed on Bookmap was there was a bunch of orders up here at 95 sell orders. And the only reason why I didn't take it short was because we broke a bunch of previous resistance zones and started getting closes above it. And I already had that mindset that, okay, well, maybe yesterday we did find our bottom. So maybe we'll end up, keep breaking out. But we didn't, and so we ended up selling off right after that. And then right after this, we get underneath this previous area where it should be acting as support. And you can see that right here on this candle at 11 a.m., we actually, broke out of it again, but then got another close right underneath it. So right here was also the second sign to go short. But it wasn't based off of a pattern. It was just based off of orders and kind of price action. But these were two spots where you could have gotten short and caught a nice move to the downside. Play number three was a break and retest at the support level, which it looks pretty weird on a 5-minute. But if I switch over back to the 15-minute, it was yesterday's support level where after the open, we found support here. And then so we break below it, and then it was a retest. So plays number 3 and 4 were break and retest of this support level. And so a good rejection here at 57. Both of them offered 15 points. And if you got greedy and took it again 10 minutes before the close, you probably would have gotten stopped out if you have a 5-point stop like me. Thankfully, I was already done trading by, 10 o'clock this morning. I had a really good day. So I didn't even need to be trading any of these plays. But these were the next setups you could have taken. And like I said, if you got greedy at the end of the day, 10 minutes before the close, if you missed all these setups, then you probably would have got stopped out here and lost money, unfortunately. But that's pretty much it. Today was a really weird day, but we're starting to get these signs that, okay, maybe the bottom is in and maybe we can start reversing. It seems like, buyers maybe kind of switching the game a bit. So just something to keep in mind. But all right, I'll catch you tomorrow. I love you.